in front of me I have Forever iGO JW-100, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this device. If you want to enable the phone notifications on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Forever Go Fit application. Once the devices are paired, open the Forever Go Fit applications on your phone. You should see this dashboard page. On this page, tap on this icon right here to open the menu. And you have the device option right here. And it should say JW-100. For some reason, this app sometimes loses the connection with your watch, and you need to open the menu a couple of times until you see the JW-100. Then tap on the device option to open this page, the settings page for your watch. On this page, scroll down and tap on the message push option. And here, if you get this warning, you need to enable the notification access for the Forever Go Fit application. Tap on yes. It should redirect you to notification access menu. Here select the Forever Go Fit, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once you allow the access, tap on back button to go back to application. As you can see, now the notifications are enabled, and as you can see, we have some apps listed and switch next to them, and if the switch is green, that means that the notification is enabled for this type of app or feature. For example, we have SMS, call, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, QQ, WeChat, Gmail, and Outlook. And you can enable or disable the notifications for each of these apps. You can also tap on Software Add button to enable the notifications for even more apps on your phone. To do it, simply find the app you want to enable the notifications for, tap on the checkbox next to it to check it, like that, and then go back. You can also disable it by opening this menu again and unchecking the app, like this. Also, you can turn off all of the notifications by tapping on Close All button to turn it off completely, or tap on it again to enable them back on. And as you can see, the notifications are enabled, and here we have the info that if for some reason you don't get the notifications right here on your watch, you need to restart the app basically. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.